So this is the process for winterizing the Del Cardo Bay water system run out of this pump house. The pump house includes the pressurization tanks. This is the casing where the pump is located at the bottom, and also a shut-off valve here in the blue pipe. We're going to turn that off as well once we turn the pump off, and that'll keep any kind of artesian flow which comes out of this well due to the ground pressure, ground flow water, and we'll set that up. So we've got 5 breakers here. Top left-hand breaker is the main disconnect. Moving that to the off position will cut all power. On the right of that, the 30 amp service, that's the well. So we'll be shutting that off first. Below that is the heater, which is in the opposition. It's not running this time of year. On the other side, the 215, the 15 and the 20. The middle one is 15 is a light circuit, and the one below it is for the outlet. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to push off the well pump circuit, and we'll leave the main on just to have some light in here as we drain things out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this tool, and we're going to use that to make sure we shut the artesian valve back. So we've got a cap on the valve pipe here. We're going to remove that and put the tool down there and turn it off. You'll notice on the outside of that pipe, when we take it off, the cap, there is a couple of marks showing you where the open is, and we're going to be probably rotating it about 90 degrees to the opposition. Well, that was a little more difficult than I figured to get that seated, so I'm going to go ahead to step 3, and come back and with a flashlight and see if I can spot where the fitting is for this to get in. So now we're going to head up to the far end of the system, up to McKintrick's and I think it's Taylor's, and make sure those valves are open. Okay, so step 3 then is to open up this valve at Mark McKintrick's lot, up next to his shed, white shed, and above his dock. Just lift it up and leave it open, and we'll come back and shut it down at the end of this. Okay, so this is the meter and the spigot for mercury. We'll open that up as well. That'll be step 4. And this is October 14th, 2010. It gives you a meter reading. And as you can see, we're draining the water off the system here. Okay, so this is kind of a little bit of a challenge. You really can't probably see that, but there is a slot on the end of this tool that has to go down, and there's a hub down there with a male piece that you're going to lock into. So we did turn that clockwise, and I think that's what's opening it up. It's making a little bit of gurgling sound. I'll have to check on that. Okay, so underneath the Anderson house, draining their system, there is the valve on the bottom of the hot water heater opened, pressure valve relief. There's a spigot up here, got that open, and another spigot on the end of that system, and just open that valve just in case that drains down. Not sure where that goes, but we'll see what's up, and we'll pull off those 2 water filters in a minute and drain them once the system is down.